This is Deepa. Welcome back. Today I am going to share with you a video on how to make herbal hair oil that helps to prevent hair loss, promote hair growth, prevents dandruff problem, prevents gray hair or white hair problems, and also this herbal oil helps in add volume to your hair, and also this is the best hair conditioner. So here are the ingredient list. So the first herb is bringraj leaves, and this leaves helps in prevents hair loss, promote hair growth, and darkens hair with natural hair dye, and also add volume by thickening hair. In the curry leaves, this helps to prevent gray or white hair, thickens hair, and also fastens hair growth. And the third one is henna leaves. This leaves or best hair conditioner, makes your hair silky and shiny and promote hair growth as well. And the last is amla, and this is a natural hair conditioner and also makes your hair soft and silky, effective in preventing hair loss. So here I have 3/4 cup of bringraj leaves. So I have just removed it from the stem and washed it thoroughly. In here I have half cup of dried henna leaves. Since I don't have access to fresh henna leaves, I just took some fresh leaves and dried in sun for 3 days from India and brought it to my place. So if you have a fresh one, you may use it, or else you can use the dried henna leaves as I am using here. And this is a curry leaves, and if you are Indian, you must know that this is curry leaves as we use in cooking. So you have to take around half cup of curry leaves, and here I have 5 amlas. So this one is spoiled, so I'm just going to use 4 amla only, and make sure you are using all the ingredients are fresh. That way the herbal oil will work out great. So to begin with, first cut your amla and de-seed it. We don't want the seed, so just take out the seed and do the same for all of your 4 amla, and you may also use 5 amla as well. After you de-seed them, just chop them into small pieces and add them into a blender, and you have to blend this into a smooth paste. So I have blended it. So here is the amla paste. To this I am going to add all the herbs. So just I'm adding curry leaves. Just separate it from the stem and add only the leaves. We don't want the stem. And then add your dried henna leaves or fresh henna leaves. And finally the bringraj leaves. So just blend all these ingredients to a smooth paste. So here is the ground herbal paste. So now this is ready to go into the hot oil to make herbal oil. So let me show you how to make this herbal oil. So to make this herbal oil, place a pan on your stove and add around 600 ml of coconut oil. And if you have a cast iron skillet, I strongly recommend you to use that. Since I don't have a cast iron one, I am using a non-stick pan. So to this pan add around 600 ml of coconut oil, and if you don't have a coconut oil, you may also use gingerly oil or castor oil as well. So since I used to apply coconut oil, I am using this coconut oil to make this herbal oil. So I have added around 600 ml of coconut oil. So I'm just trying my best to take out all the oil from this can. Okay. So once you are added the oil, now you have to increase the flame to medium. And allow it to boil for just 3 to 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes you will notice that your oil is getting some bubbles and also some smoke. You can see the bubbles and also a slightly bit smoke coming from this oil. So at this point your oil is hot, so don't heat it further, it may get fired. So once you reach this point, after 3 to 4 minutes you can add your herbal paste, and while adding the herbal paste just keep a distance at least 2 feet, as this will splutter a lot, and use a spatula to add your herbal paste into this oil. So it will sizzles a lot and splutter sometime as well, so keep a distance. And try to use a wide and big pan like this, so that the oil will not splatter outside of your pan and will not dirt your kitchen. So we don't want to clean all those stuff, right? So just use a big pan. And now I have added all the herbal paste and just mix it well. So now you can see this oil is in green color, so just increase the flame, and now you have to allow them to boil for at least 15 minutes. So now the color of this oil is in light green and you can see a lot of bubbles, right? And also there is a lot of noise from this since it is sizzling. So you have to boil till the point all the herbs are completely fried in this oil, and also it will become dark green in its color, and also this bubbles will stop and there will not be any sizzling sound like this. So I'm just going to boil it for 15 minutes in a medium flame. So friends, it's been around 15 minutes and now you can see my oil is dark green in its color, and also the bubble is reduced, and also there is no sizzling sound at all. And at this point of time you will get a very nice aroma from this coconut oil and this herb, and that way you will know that you are done with your herbal oil. So easy, isn't it? So now it's time to switch off the flame and allow this herb to rest in this oil for 24 hours. So after 24 hours you have to stain this and store this oil in an airtight container, and your herbal oil is ready to use. So after 24 hours, so friends, it's been 24 hours. I rest this herbal oil, and now I will show you how to stain them. So take the airtight container that you want to store your oil, and now place a funnel over this and a stainer, and cover the stainer with a clean white cloth. You may also use muslin cloth. And now put this herbal oil into this cloth, and now the herbs will stay on this cloth and the oil will pour into the bottle. So since we rested this herb in this oil for 24 hours, this herbs must have absorbed lot of oil. So we want to squeeze out all those oil. So that's the reason I asked you to use a cloth while staining. So once you transfer the oil, now grab the cloth all together, and using your hand just press and squeeze as much as you can to squeeze out all the oil from this herb. So by squeezing it, I got around 60 ml of oil. So don't miss this process, you have to use this for sure. So once you are done with that, just cover it with a lid, and your homemade herbal hair oil is ready. You don't need to refrigerate it, you can keep it outside. This will stay fresh for 3 to 4 months. And so our herbal hair oil is ready. Now you have to Apply this herbal hair oil at least 3 times in a week and do a massage for 5 minutes and leave it on your hair for at least overnight, or if possible at least for 2 hours, and take a hair wash with a lukewarm water. Don't use a chill water, use a lukewarm water, and use a mild shampoo. Don't use very harsh chemical shampoo, use a mild shampoo. So you will see a good change within 6 months of using this herbal hair oil. Continue using it to make it effective, and hope this video is helpful for you. And for more videos on natural beauty tips, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Store Natural Beauties. Thank you once again for watching my video. Catch you soon. Till then, bye bye from Deepa Suresh.